Good evening, all of you. Good evening, Atomy. Good evening, Atomy families. Today is a very special day because we are organized of this meeting completely in the English, and very well. We know everyone. Atomy is a global company, and English also a global languages. So we want to be barrier like for one language barrier in terms of the development of the groups, development of the business. So we thought, our team thought, we have to organize of this meeting in English. So we already request of this meeting to organize our global leaders, which already have lead in the global platform, Mr. Vincent Paul, which you know very well because already have like as a motivator, as a business global leaders. We want to be introduced to our in this stage global business platform. We want to be introduced of Mr. Vincent Paul to organize and take the stage of this Tomi special English program. Please you attain of this meeting and we continue with this thing because in Atomy he will introduce of the plan, introduce of the business plan, business profile, and the payout, all kind of the things, all kind of the information he will give the information to you. So please become Vincent sir, and do the join with us, please sir, please.
Thank you very much, Amitji. Thank you so much, and it's my pleasure to thank my friends over here, Mr. Ravi Kumar, and who is supporting me like anything, and we are friends for life. And today I met two nice friends, Mr. Sandeep and Mr. Amit also, Amit from Patna and Mr. Sandeep from Lucknow. My dear friends, I think I should come on live. It's not showing. So it's my pleasure to talk to you. So today what we will be doing is, fantastic, great. Good evening, everybody. My dear friends, it's a fantastic day. Why it's a fantastic day? Because I am telling you, from today onwards, every week we will be meeting you. We will be conducting meeting in English also. The reason is, there are people in our country, they are not well versed with Hindi, but at the same time, they know English very well. For example, in Northeast, there are few states where they speak English. So, we know very well, most accepted languages or most states, Hindi speaking. So, people can understand Hindi. So, we are conducting meeting in Hindi. At the same time, we have also understood very clearly, this is Atomy is an international opportunity, and we are only starting from India. And as an Indian, we are going to conquer across the world. I'm telling you, in 3 years' time, we will be having our team presence in 100 countries. So when we are going for international, we should go with as one family. We'll be conducting regular meeting in English also. From here onwards, the leaders will tell you every week English meeting will be conducted for the people who does not know Hindi. So the English meeting will conduct. So it is. I thank very much Mr. Ravi Kumar ji, Mr. Amit ji, Mr. Sandeep ji for giving the opportunity to talk to you. So what we are going to talk about it. My dear friends, today after COVID-19, opportunities are not there. Already 1.1 crore people, they lost the job. In next 3 months, 2 crore people are going to lose the job. It is a reality I'm talking. I'm not very happy with that. But we need to tell the fact as a fact. And no small business is able to survive. Many industries have crashed. So, So today I was talking to my friend. Many countries, they told very clearly, The job opportunity has gone. People are agitated. People are looking for, they are not able to feed on a daily basis. They are struggling. Right time, our company, Atami, is going to be launched in November. Right time, Atami is going to give the opportunity to lakhs of people to come out of poverty, to get a great lifestyle, to give the best lifestyles to their family, to give the best education to their children, to uplift the people of our country, those my dear friends. So it's a great opportunity. I'm really very excited. I just wanted to share a few things about me also. I was a banker for 20 years. I was working with Canara Bank for 20 years. In the year 2000, I entered direct selling business. I didn't know anything about it, but as soon as I entered, I understood the power of the industry for my life. My dear friend, I became a rich man. My lifestyle has changed. I started with the income of 375 rupees, and you won't believe it. At one stage, I had an income of 14,70,000 rupees. I was driving my Mercedes. I created 500 car achievers, whatnot. I enjoyed every moment. But unfortunately, the company was not committed as I was committed to the business. Today, I'm telling you, I'm very proud to say I'm Atami. I belong to Atami. Atami is my company. Why? 20 years I was searching for a good company. My dear friends, we got Atami. Atami is not an ordinary company. It is a giant, global giant. Atami is going to be number one in the world. Atami is going to be 100 billion company. Atami is going to create waves across the world. So, much about Atami. I'm going to share all the information to you. Today, the opportunity given by your team leaders is a fantastic opportunity. Please take it very seriously. If you want to change your life, today is the day. If things has to change, you have to change first. That is what I decided when I joined direct selling business. That is what I decided when I joined Atami. What attracted me to Atami? Number one, it is a global company. Wherever you are in India, no issues. You can be in Nagaland, you can be in Manipur, you can be in UP, you can be in Bihar, you can be there in Tamil Nadu, you can be there in Gujarat or Maharashtra, wherever you are. Doesn't matter, my dear friends. Your journey starts from your place. But you decide today, you believe in Atami, regularly attend meeting in Atami, you are going to get a golden opportunity, global opportunity. Atami is seeing a global ID. You can have teams across the globe. Sir, how it is possible? How I can do that? It is not possible for me. No, it's not like that. Just 2 days back, we attended a seminar in Korea. Everybody spoke only in Korean language. We had seen a lady, very poor lady, who was having her own laundry business, had a debt of $500,000. In Indian rupee, it is equal to 3.5 crore. Don't know what to do. Opportunity came. Somebody gave the Atami opportunity. She grabbed it. She believed Atami. She did Atami on a daily basis. My dear friends, believe it or not, today she is a crown master in Atami business. Do you know what her income? The lady, she has done only elementary school, not educated, not from a city, not knowing anything other than Korean language. Today she is having global business across the world. Is more than 40 lakhs per month, my dear friends. 40 lakhs per month. That is the reason why I am telling in the beginning, you need to understand, today is not an ordinary day for you. Today it's a very, very important day for you in your life, for not only for you, for your family to take a decision. When that lady can do it, Why can't you? Why can't you and me? Why can't you, me, and other leaders? It is possible. Now we need to understand why she was able to do that. Because she believed in Atami. Every day she was doing the business, never gave up, and she continued the journey from zero to heroine. My dear friends, she became an angel through Atami business. So what is Atami? Let us go to the profile of the company. So our company started from South Korea. The CEO of the company is Mr. Hen Hill Park. Is a visionary. It's very important, my dear friends. What is a vision? It's very simple. What is a vision? One time, after seeing the Disneyland, some of the people, they told Walt Disney's friend, wow, it's a wonderful, amazing to be in the Disneyland. But it is very unfortunate. The person who built Disneyland, who made the Disneyland world, he is not able to see the Disneyland. And what was the reply? The reply given by the friend of Mr. Disney was, Disney was the first person to see. Because through his vision, he is able to see what I am going to build. Because he was able to see, only today everybody is seeing. So like that, Mr. Hen Hill Park is the one who has seen the vision. What will be the Atami today? What is the Atami today? What is going to be the Atami after 10 years' time? Dear friends, the moment he started the business, he told everybody, you come and join the business. One day you will be a crown master. One day you will be an imperial master. You will be getting 10 crore awards and rewards. Do you know? At that time, Atami did not have office. He started from a small garage like Amazon. But his belief system was very strong. His vision was very clear. We are really proud to have Mr. Hen Hill Park as our CEO, my dear friends. The profile of the company we are going to see. Mr. Ravi, if you can show the slide, I'll continue. The profile of the company is fantastic. In 10 years, today, already we are number one. It's a global business, global compensation plan. CEO, I told, Atami is a Ministry of Science and Technology. Government of South Korea is supporting through Atami Keirein. Keirein is Korean Atomic Energy Research Company. 2,000 scientists are working there. Another thing is, you see Kolmar, Atami Kolmar. Kolmar BNH listed in South Korea. This year itself, 60% increase in the share price of Kolmar BNH, my dear friends. It is a joint venture between Atami Keirein and Atami Korea. We have got all certification as far as the India is concerned. ISO certificate, FDSA, FICCI is supporting us. So halal certification is there. So our CEO is a president of the Korean Direct Selling Association. He is a CEO Council in the World Federation. So these are all the credibility. Now next. My dear friends, this is what our CEO, Mr. Hen Hill Park, we believe in absolute quality, absolute price. What is the meaning? It is very simple. The product which we do have, the quality is unmatchable, number one. We are the best in the world. Why I am saying best in the world? My dear friend, Atami today is number one in Japan. Last year, number 11. Next year, in my calculation, it is going to be number 6 or number 5. In 3 years, we are going to be number 1 because of the vision of Mr. Hen Hill Park and the quality of the product. Top 10 products, 4 products belongs to us. It is not even top 10. In the top 6, number 1, number 2. Number 1 is Hemohim. Number 2, skincare product. Number 5, again the fame. Number 6 is probiotic. That belongs to us, my dear friends. So you see the quality. We are having a Rolls-Royce car. It's not a Maruti 800 or Maruti Alto or Swift or even Mercedes. It's a Rolls-Royce product we are having. That is why we are telling absolute quality. When you are comparing the same quality, when you are comparing Mercedes, you will be comparing only with BMW and Audi. You cannot compare with an Alto or a small car. The same way, when you are comparing with our product, the same ingredient and quality, number one, there are no products are there. If at all the same ingredients is there, our price is cheaper than the price available in the market. So that is the beauty of this one. So Atami started our networking from USA in the year 2009 we started. Next slide. My dear friend, I told about the K-Ray also, the Colmar also. Colmar is a global network. We are having it. So it is a joint venture between K-Ray and Colmar. The company headquarters in India is in Delhi. It is in Gurgaon. The office address, everything you can find it. Your upline will give you. It is there in the website also. Next we talk about the product. I am not going to talk about much about the product, my dear friends. What I believe is only one thing is, let the product come, you use the product, you will tell how good the product is. Because I met the people who came down from USA. They were telling, sir, Atami product is so cheap, we never believed this much quality is there. Because in market, the L'Oreal product is $100. The same product, much better products is available in USA, Atami product for $30. Today I talked to a friend, just now I spoke to a using all the products are simply fantastic. I used only few products like a paste, brush and coffee and all. It's simply fantastic. Then I compared the quality of the product, the ingredient. Our price is cheaper than the unbranded product in the market, my dear friends. So you see the quality, definitely our price is cheaper. That is why we call it as a absolute quality, absolute price. So all products are available. We have healthcare products like a Spirulina or Hemohim, our star product is there. Number one product is there. Probiotic is there. Omega is there. Vitamin C is there. Number of products is there. Next. So it is not a product session. So likewise, we are having a home care product also. We are having cosmetic products also. My dear friends, the beauty is shirt you can buy from our company. Shoes you want, you can buy from our company. Belt you want, you can buy from our company. Health food is also available. Kitchen items are available. 450 amazing products are available for you. Please continue. Next. So why Atami? It's very simple. There is no registration fee. It is free, my dear friends. Today, just give your document and join Atami. That's all. What all the documents are required? Because your money has to go to the bank, the company is asking the PAN card. Through the PAN card, your name will be there. Next is Aadhaar card or voter ID or driving license or passport, front and back both copies. Then apart from that, mail ID and phone number you should give. When you join, it is free only. You decide to continue or not after knowing all the details, you decide. The company is not pressurizing you how much money you need to invest. You just need to invest 2,000 rupees, that too not on one same time. You can buy for 500 rupees, then the next month another 500, next month 1,000 rupees. In total, 2,000 rupees, it is equal to 10,000 PV, anywhere between 1,800 to 2,000 rupees. Then distributor who will be eligible for commission from Atami. Atami is not an ordinary direct selling business. Atami is an e-commerce business. We always compare with Amazon. We always compare with Alibaba and other companies. The vision of the company is 100 billion. Today we are doing 1.3 billion in 10 years time, which is unbelievable achievement. But our CEO is having a vision of 100 billion, my dear friends. So no registration, no package you need to buy, no product you need to purchase, and every monthly purchase is not there. Monthly purchase is not there. You don't sell the product. You only recommend the product. We don't want any salespeople in the company. We are only want business partners, my dear friends. We treat you as a businessman. Even though in Atami, your investment could be only 2,000 rupees. But this is a business where you can become a millionaire. You can become a multi-crorepati. You can drive your own, Mercedes Benz. You can drive a Rolls Royce, my dear friends. So only once a year you need to buy one product. Only two teams, I don't call it as a legs, only two teams, left team and right team, you need to create. And business volumes get accumulated, my dear friends. One single ID you will be getting all over the world. You can join the people, my dear friends. The opportunity will give you passive income, and otherwise it is called residual income. The beauty is, one time, be a member of Atomy, do the business seriously, continuously you be focused towards that. Once you become auto sales master, the passive income starts, and the passive income will be there for 3 generations, my dear friends. What is a passive income? In general term, when I was working with Canara Bank, I used to get I'm getting the pension. But is it a passive income? Definitely no. Yeah, till I die it will be there. But here, the royalty is there for 3 generations, for you, for your children, for your grandchildren. And how much? If you are an auto sales master, your income would be 1.5 to 3 lakhs rupees. Passive income will be there for 3 generations. If you become a diamond master, 3 to 7 lakhs will be a passive income for 3 generations, my dear friends. We will see what it is and all that. Later we will see. Next slide. So these are all the certificates are there. Anybody wants a certificate, your upline will give. Our company believes in only one thing is, any country we will go, we will fulfill all legal formalities, then only we will start the business. This is not a company like a foreign company came, they do not obtain any legal formality, they go. No, Atomy comes to any country, it will stay in the company, it will do the business it will have a business plan for 100 years. So Atomy is having a business vision for 100 years, my dear friends. So all for our company, and Logistic Partners is one of the top 3 logistic company we are tied up with. Across the country, it is online shopping like Amazon or Alibaba or Flipkart. You buy it and it will be delivered to you or your customer. How it will be delivered to your customer? When you fill the form, the shipping address you give, it will go directly to the customer. I told you, no, you are not becoming a salesman in Atomy. You are a businessman, my dear friends. Do the business. Recommend the product. Recommend the business. Sometimes what will happen, the customer will buy it regularly. Not sometimes, most of the times. And one time they will become a distributor, and ultimately they will see the success. That is why we call it as a customer success in Atomy, my dear friends. Next. So commission structure. Before that, I will share some other things also. I told about the product. The product range is personal care, skin care, beauty care, and Hemohim also. Hemohim is the world #1 product. 6 years research, 2,000 scientists. For the scientists, they have found the Hemohim. Hemohim will prevent cancer as well as the radiation. Hemohim has cured. My dear friends, we have seen testimonial. From the 4th stage cancer, people have got the result. You see the testimonials in the YouTube, you will know that. So we are having amazing product range we have seen, my dear friends. So here, let us talk about the commission structure. The company gives 70% on the PV. What is the PV? I told you, 10,000 PV is equal to 1,800 rupees to 2,000 rupees. In short, you can say for 1 rupee you will be getting 6 PV approximately. It will vary from product to product. Approximately, I am telling you. So out of 100%, the company takes 30% and 70% commission. 44% for general commission or a matching bonus, you can say. 20% for mastership bonus. It's very important. Kindly watch it. Mastership bonus 20%, my dear friends. and the educational bonus 6% educational bonus. So in total 44 plus 20 plus 6, 70% will be given to the commission for the distributors like you and me, right? Now we will see the general commission. We will see, my dear friends, as I told you, 2000 rupees you will be joining to get a income from Atami. As I told you, there will be 2 teams will be there. You can sponsor only 2 people. Throughout life, you will be working only with 2 people. If those people are not working, you work down the line, you work, no problem. It is not going to harm you anyway. You are going to sponsor A and B. So A team is there, B team is there. A is not working, you put C. You work with C. C is not working, you put D. You put X, you start working with X, no problem. Unlimited level plan, ULM. We are not MLM, ULM. Okay, 10,000 PV. In the left team 3 lakhs PV and the right team 3 lakhs PV. Approximately it will be around 35 to 37,000 rupees. In the left team and right team, your income will be 1,321 rupees. Whenever your left team and right team is doing a matching of 37 to approximately 3 lakhs PV and 3 lakhs PV. In Indian rupee, 37,000 rupees and 37,000 rupees. The same way, my dear friends, when you are accumulating your personal volume, you are buying and selling Hemohim. Even yesterday, my friend asked, I want Hemohim, I want a Hemohim. But we don't have. After the launch only, we will be getting it. So once your friends, you know very well, some of your, it should not happen, but you know very well cancer is spreading like wildfire. So people need Hemohim. So how much money they are spending? Lakhs of rupees they are spending. So you give Hemohim to particularly your PV, you will be getting the PV. So the PV you are accumulating 3 lakhs PV personal volume, not in 1 month, maybe in 3 months or 6 months. The company is not putting any condition. But I am telling you, leaders will be doing in the first month itself. They will be doing, because whenever you matches 3 lakh PV and 3 lakh PV, your matching bonus will be, matching income will be 3,964 rupees. Whenever you do that, you may do it in 2 days or 3 days or 4 days time. Every time, whenever you do it, your income will be there. If you are doing it on a daily basis, it will be on a daily basis. So per month, you can get an income of nearly 1 lakh rupees if you are getting 3,964. Now your volume goes up. Now you want to match 7 lakhs PV and 7 lakhs PV. Already your income is nearly 1 lakh. Already you are done. 40,000 rupees you are already done. At that time, you would have become sales master. Another bonus also you will be getting, which I will explain later. So your income will additional 60,000 rupees worth of product. So totally the product purchase will be 7 lakhs PV. When you are matching 7 lakhs PV and 7 lakhs PV, your income will be nearly 8,000 rupees per month. Whenever you are matching that, my dear friends, maybe every day, maybe once in 2 days, maybe once in 5 days, maybe once in 3 days. But your personal purchase, only one time you are going to do that. That to accumulation, 2,000 rupees, then another 38,000 rupees. Then when your income start, another 40,000 rupees. Then like that in the next stage, 15 lakhs PV, approximately 2 lakhs rupees. At that time, you would have become a diamond master. Your income will be maybe 4 lakhs or 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs. At that time, another 1 lakh rupees you will be purchasing. That will be total equal to 3 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs. So your self PV will be 15 lakhs PV. I am repeating again. Your personal purchase only one time you will be doing whenever your income goes maximum of only 3.5 lakhs you will be purchasing, my dear friends. Your matching bonus will be slowly, it will get increased from 1,321, then 3,964, 7,929 up to nearly 80,000 per day you can get, my dear friends. So 25 days, you can say around 20 lakhs you can get through general commission you can get, my dear friend. That is the potential in the general commission. Now you may ask one question. Sir, it is not very big. It is not a very lucrative income. I am telling you, this is only the start. The fireworks are going to start. Hereafter only it is going to start. I got excited. Not only on general commission. I got very excited because Atami has got only one ID. We can create only 2 teams. I can support my team. Unlimited depth, I will go and support my team. Till date, all whether you take Ravi Kumar ji or Sanjay Meshram ji, any leader you take, we have sponsored tons of people, 10 people, 20 people, 50 people. But we can sponsor only 2 people. What we have done? We have given all the team to our teammates who are doing very well, who are very sincere in the business, serious in the business, committed to the business. We support the people. Why we do that? Atami system is not a weaker leg, power leg. Atami is telling everybody is powerful. Anybody can become an imperial master. So we need to support the people. The concept of Atami is very simple. Build people, people will build a business. It is not a selfish motive. Atami is very, very clear on one thing. My dear friends, focus on the people. Build your people. Atami will take care of your money. Automatically your money will come through the Atami system, my dear friends. So it's only 2 legs. There is no need for any ID, one single ID, 2 teams. The first mastership bonus we are going to see. There are 7 mastership bonuses there. Next slide. Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, as well as the Imperial Master. My dear friends, 7 mastership levels are there. The company has allocated 20%. Out of 20%, 10% for Sales Master, 5% for Diamond Master, 2% for Sharon Rose Master. The first 3 mastership, Sales Master and Diamond Master and Sharon Master, one time you become, lifetime your rank will be maintained. For Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master and Imperial Master, you need to do the previous rank 3 times, that too not consecutively. You become Sharon Rose Master in the first month and the 3rd month and the next year also. Whenever you complete 3 times, you will become a Star Master. Likewise, 3 times you complete Star Master, you will become Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Master. One time you do that, your rank will be maintained. But your income will depend on the volume you generate. Okay, you should qualify for the income. How you can qualify as a Sales Master? Very simple. For example, your left team is doing approximately 3.5 lakhs. Right team is doing 3.5 lakhs. In PV, it looks very huge, 2.5 million and 2.5 million. But in rupee, it is not big. You have a team of around 100 people in the left, 100 people in the right. Everybody is doing only 4,000. You are becoming a sales master. But you should do in 15 days time. Is there any condition you should do in the first month? No. You can take 1 year also. You can take 6 months also. You can take 3 months also. You can do it in the first 15 days also. In India, you are going to see hundreds of people are becoming a sales master in the first 15 days itself, my dear friends. Very recently, they opened China. More than 3,000, nearly 1,000 people, they become a diamond master in the first 15 days time. So it is going to happen in India also, my dear friends. Just you need to build a team. Why you need to build a team? I just need to explain few things. You should understand, it is a team business. It is not an individual business. Network marketing. So you need to build a network. Sir, I don't like network. In any way, whatever you do, you are creating a network. If you are working with an insurance company, what do? You have a network. Your regional master will be there. Then after that, your boss will be there. Under you, some people will be there. That is a network. It's very simple. Even in the bank, it is a network. Even in supermarket, it is a network. You take any business, network is there. Jio, you take Ambani, what they are doing only through the network, they are building the business. In any business, you need to do network. If you are not doing any networking business, your income will stop. If you are working separately in a business, anytime your business stops, you know that in the lockdown, what happened? Able to do anything. They don't get the income. But in network marketing, all the people in 6 months' time, they were sitting in the house, they are enjoying the income. I told you, I started the Atami business only in the lock-in time. Lockdown started, I started Atami business. Today, I have more than 10,000 people in my team. My vision is to have 1 million people, 10 lakhs people in 3 years' time. In my previous company, I had 4 lakhs people. So I can build. Atami is my company for life, for 3 generations. So the sales master you become with just 4 lakhs in the left team and right team, you will become a sales master. Then after that, no question of volume. As I told, build the people will build the business. 2 sales master in the left team and 2 sales master in the right team, you will become a diamond master. My dear friends, the sales master, the rank, as I told you, the income will be anywhere between 1.5 to 3 lakhs rupees. And when you become a sales master, the company Mohim, the best healthcare product in the world. This is a product which will prevent corona, COVID-19 or any virus coming in. Nothing can fight with Hemohim, my dear friends. Do you know one thing? How they are fighting the virus? Through the vaccine. In vaccine, what they are doing it? They will inject the same virus with the lesser potent. And our body immune system will fight against the virus, it will win. Once the immune system is ready to fight the enemy, then they need not worry about the particular virus. But every time you need to put vaccine, I am telling you, permanent vaccine, only one vaccine, Hemohim is enough. Your family is taking Hemohim, you need not worry about any virus you need not worry about. Your immune system will be very, very strong. You can fight against any virus, my dear friends. You will be getting a gift. Then apart from that, health, skincare product also you will be getting it. For the sales master, 1.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs rupees per month you can get. Next is Diamond Master. The Diamond Master, you need 2 sales master in the left team, 2 sales master in the right team. You become a Diamond Master. When in the process of becoming a Diamond Master, you will become an auto sales master. How? You will be creating 2 sales master. Left team, right team, 2 sales master. Automatically they will be producing 4 lakhs. So you don't worry about it. Your income will come automatically month after month, year after year, passive income will start. I will give one small example. If you are getting 2 lakhs rupees as passive income, what does it mean? Unless and until you put 6 crore rupees in the bank, you will not get 2 crore rupees interest. It is equal to you are got 6 crore rupees, my dear friends, in the fixed deposit. One time, even the fixed deposit will not remain, or the interest rate will come down. You need to pay interest to the bank. That kind of scenario is there. Bank says, I need to safeguard your family. The deposit, you need to pay interest. Like a locker, they are asking rent for the deposit. In our country, it's okay. But minimum now, 6 crore rupees. But in Atami, you become an auto sales master. Either in 3 months' time or 6 months' time or even the first month, your income will be 2 lakhs rupees worth. It is equal to worth about 6 crore in the fixed deposit. Is it not amazing? Is it not wonderful? How much time it will take in other network marketing companies? Because Atami is an e-commerce product. Today it's 30,000 products are there in the Azamal. It is going to be 1 lakh product in the Azamal, my dear friends. You want LG TV, you can get it through it. You want mobile phone, you can take it. You want any furniture, you can take it. You want anything for your family, take it and recommend to your neighbors, recommend to your people. You tell them you are getting a discount. But in Atami, you are joining with 2,000 rupees. ticket to become a millionaire, my dear friends. It's amazing. 2,000 rupees, you can become a millionaire, my dear friends. That's amazing. So the diamond manager's income is anywhere ranging from $3,000 to $7,000, approximately 3 lakhs rupees to 7 lakhs rupees. I have seen an income of $10,000 for a diamond master in Malaysia. And what is the award you will get? Apart from product, you will be getting a laptop or iPod also. You will be getting it. Next, Sharon Rose Master. 2 diamonds left in the right, you will become a Sharon Rose Master. It is very simple now. We are going to focus on the people. We are going to conduct meeting. We are going to conduct training. For your convenience, leaders have organized English meeting. First time, it is going to continue. And we are conducting meeting in Hindi. Almost every day, all your leaders are conducting meeting in Hindi. I am conducting on Sunday, 8 o'clock, I am conducting my meeting. So we can have a common meeting also, we can conduct in Hindi. And we are conducting training programs. We can do the training program in English also. We can do the training program in Hindi also. Also, we are going to start. Tomorrow I am starting Tamil meeting, I am starting. From next week, we may start the Bengali meeting also. So leaders are ready. My question is, leaders are ready to support you. They are ready to make you as a millionaire. Are you ready? That is the question, my dear friends. When you become a Sharon Rose Master, many of the people, till I joined network marketing, I never had passport. Today my passport is full of stamping all over the world, including Asia, Europe, USA, everywhere I have gone. That dream will fulfill. You become a Sharon Rose Master. 2 travel tickets for your family. It is just a beginning. For your family, apart from that, for your expenses, you will be getting 1.2 lakhs also. You will be getting as a Sharon Rose Master. Right? Well, you remember, Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master. Only one time you become, lifetime your rank will be maintained. But you need to maintain 2 Diamond Master left and right. Your income also will be like Sharon Rose Master. If you are not maintaining that, Diamond Master. So you need to work on a daily basis. It is a business. For example, you are opening a supermarket. Will you open the supermarket daily or not? If you put 2 crore in the business, will you do your business on a daily or not? I am telling you, even if you put 2 crore, your income will not come like a Sharon Rose Master. This is an amazing business. With 2,000 rupees investment, every month you can earn even 2 crore rupees. That is the beauty of Atami business, my dear friends. Next rank, star. You will become a star in Atami, my dear friends. For that, you need Sharon Rose Master. 3 times you need to do, either 1 to 15 days or 16 to 30 days. 3 times. There is no time limit. Once you complete, you will become a Star Master. Left team to Sharon, right team to Sharon Master. And what is your reward? 4 tickets, 3 nights and 4 days. Apart from that, now 7 lakhs rupees you will be getting. So you can go, stay, not only see the shop, you can do shopping for anything for your kids, wife, father, mother, everybody, for your keychains you can buy, for your friends you can buy something, for your neighbors you can buy something. It's amazing. You can go and come. Then they will say, how you are having so much money? Then you talk about Atami, they will join Atami. The same thing happened to me. It's very simple. Okay. Thank you. Next. To become a Royal Master, really you will be royal. Why you will be royal? I will tell you. Number 1, your dream car will be there. The company is giving 60,000 rupees per month for your EMI, my dear friends. So you can buy 60,000, you can buy Mercedes or BMW or even Mercedes or BMW or Audi. Anything you can buy. Whatever you are like, you can buy. Up to 60,000 the company is giving EMI. Apart from that, 4 tickets now they are giving. Now the company says, you have become royal. You are a royal master. Don't travel in economy class, because per ticket they are giving 2.5 lakhs, 4 tickets they are giving. So 10 lakhs worth of ticket they are giving for your family, my dear friends. Apart from that, you need to pay for the cash, down cash for new car. Yes, there are companies they are giving 100% finance. Well, the company says you make down payment, you take your car. They are giving 30 lakhs. For your travel, you can use it. For down payment, you can use it. For your expenditure, you can use it. They are giving that, my dear friends. That is a royal. Apart from that, the company is giving you, you won't believe it, they are giving a debit card. $2,000 will be there, 1.2 lakhs will be there for your monthly expenditure for your business, my dear friends. Friends, what is the income? I told about the sales master income. I told you diamond master from 3 to 7 lakhs, Sharon Ross master 7 to 13 lakhs, star master 13 lakhs to 25 lakhs, and royal master from 25 lakhs to 30 to 35 lakhs income will be there, my dear friends. That is the income people you require. You need serious people, ambitious people, those who have got burning desire to succeed. 2 stars left and right, you become a royal master. Now the next thing, you become a crown master. Really, it's a crown. Why? You can buy your big dream car. You can go for E-Class. You can go for 5 Series. You can go for Audi 6 or Audi Q5 you can buy. Again, foreign trip you can go. Apart from that, your monthly income will be more than 50 lakhs rupees. Monthly income will be there. I told about the crown master. 2 days seminar. 2 days back seminar happened. Ordinary lady. Very simple lady. Elementary school. No good background. Believed Atami. Today she is earning more than 50 lakhs. That is for you and me. It is available. Now we need to get it, my dear friends. Apart from that, you will be getting 1.8 crore cash award you will be getting. Apart from that, now you will be getting a debit card every month. Every month, $5,000 will be put in your debit card. So how much? 3 lakhs rupees. Monthly salary, we don't get it like that. Even for the people who are the political at the top, whether it is a chief minister or anybody, nobody gets like that. My dear friends, you are going to get 3 lakhs for spending for your travel, staying and for business expenses. Every month you are going to get it, my dear friends. That is the beauty when you are becoming a crown master. Now the topmost, that is a dream for all the leaders. We are going to create 1,000 imperial masters. My dear friends, imperial master is the ultimate. Why is the ultimate? Unlimited income. Okay. So what do you get when you are becoming an imperial master? What do you require? The same people you promote them royal master, you promote them as a crown master. 2 crown in the left, 2 crown in the right, you become an imperial. Because everybody want to go up. So build the people, support the people, help them. They will become crown master. 2 crown in any depth in the left team and the right team, you become an imperial master. Once you become an imperial master, your income will be 70 lakhs or 1 crore or 1.25 crore or 1.5 crore. It is amazing. Unlimited, my dear friends. For 3 generations, your income will get increase and increase and increase and increase. Why it will get increase and increase and increase? The company started with 0. In 10 years time, Atami start now doing 10,000 crore, nearly 1.3 billion. What is the vision of Atami? 100 billion. That is equal to 7,50,000 crore, my dear friends. When the company is going to do that kind of business, now we are doing only 1 billion. It is going to be 100 billion. So we all will become imperial master. Our all master, I told, whether you are educated or uneducated, whether you can talk English or not, no problem. Whether you are from city or village, no problem. Whether you are very fair like Raviji or very black like me, no problem. The only thing is, believe in Atami, believe yourself, you can become an imperial master. So now, Raviji shows us right. Ravi is taking time because imperial master, it takes some time. It is not easy, it is not difficult. You need to work towards in getting it. People have become Imperial Master in 3 years' time, 4 years' time, 5 years' time. But in India, we are going to see people are becoming Imperial Master in months. People are becoming Imperial Masters. Yeah, there are leaders who are waiting for this opportunity for 1 year, 1.5 years, 2 years. They built the team ready. There are leaders who are having lakhs and lakhs of people ready. So ultimately, they will become Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star, Royal, Crown, and Imperial Master. You become an Imperial Master because your check will become bigger, 70 lakhs, 1 crore, 1.25 crore. I saw one Imperial Master income, 1 year income, 20 crore. 1 year income, 20 crore. So how much time will it take to earn 100 crore? 5 years, 100 crore. You will become a billionaire in India. Atami is going to create billionaires in India. No other network marketing has done it so far. Atami is going to be the only company in the world so far has come to India, will create billionaires, my dear friends. I can see there are leaders. Now, we have discussed Sanjay Meshramji, Nitish Minaji, Sandeep ji, Amit ji, Ravi ji, all will be driving Rolls Royce. It is going to happen, my dear friends. It can happen to you also. Because it is a business. You can beat everybody. You can become number one. It is possible in this business. So you become an Imperial Master. You will be getting a car. You will be getting first class ticket. 5-star accommodation will be given to you. And apart from that, $10,000 every month you will be getting for your business expenses, for your traveling, conducting meeting, everything you will be getting it, my dear friends. Is it not amazing? Is it not wonderful? Apart from that, 1 million USD will be given to you. In India, they have fixed it as 6 crore rupees they have fixed. So 6 crore here, Crown Master 1.8, Royal Master another 30 lakhs, and in Star Master another 7 lakhs. So you calculate, then the 3 cars you will be getting it. Apart from that, every month you are going to get more than 10 crore award and reward, no time limit. Just think about it. I worked for 20 years in Canara Bank. My friends have worked for 30 years and 40 years. They retired. What is the retirement benefit they got? Only in lakhs, not even 1 crore. Only few lakhs. What is the pension they are getting? 40,000, 50,000, 60,000 or 70,000. My dear friends, even you become an auto sales master, your monthly pension will be, royalty will be for 2 lakhs rupees for 3 generations. Is it a small opportunity? I now pity for the people who has not understood Atami. Everybody can say, I know CM, I know PM. But you only know, but you are not understood. The same way I am telling you. You only know Atami, but you are not understood the power of Atami, my dear friends. Atami for me, it's my dream company. Atami is for me. My family will get passive income for 3 generations. Atami is for me. I have seen, I bought my Mercedes, I bought my BMW, I bought my Audi. But today, the first time I'm going above that. I can buy my bigger car, S-Class I can buy. I can buy Lamborghini. I can buy Porsche. I can buy even Rolls Royce. That is the beauty of Atami, my dear friend. It's an equal opportunity for everybody. But you are lucky. Why you are lucky? The company is going to start. Already Sanjay Meshramji told the first payout will be before Diwali. So only 40 days are remaining. Build your team, build your team. It's a team business. It's a team sales. You are going to sell, you can sell only 1 lakh and 2 lakh. But crores of rupees can be generated only through the team sales. I call it as a human franchisee system. Like KFC is there, McDonald's is there. They are having branches. Every branch will get you profit. In my earlier company, I created 4 lakhs people in 24 states. Every state I will be getting income. But in Atami, already leaders, we are having our team in many countries. So in 3 years, we all will be having in 100 countries. our profit will be there automatically. Our branches will be there. What is a branch? Every individual who are joining in our team is a branch. Every individual who are going to join your service is only one thing. You have to pass on the knowledge. How you can do that? It's very simple. Ask them to come and attend the meeting. Only you are attending the meeting, they will attend the meeting. Your leaders are wonderful leaders. Atami has got wonderful quality leaders are there. They are very much, they want to pass on the knowledge to you. That is why they have decided immediately. I just proposed, why can't we have a combined English meeting? Immediately they told, we are interested. Let us do it for our team. It is one family, Atami family. That is the spirit of Atami leaders, my dear friends. We are all there for you. We all want you to become an imperial master. We all want a good lifestyle for your family, my dear friends. We all want it. We are one. We are going to do. Amazing. This I have told enough. Now you can close the thing. Thank you so much, Raviji. Wonderful. Thank you. I have given you the pain, but you have done a wonderful job. Thank you so much. So now I want to talk to the people. Now, how big the opportunity? I will tell one small story and I will end it. I am not going to take much time. Today is the day for you to think throughout the night and decide whether you want to become a crorepati, whether you want to become a multi-millionaire, whether you want to earn 20,000 or 50,000 or 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs or 1 crore or 2 crore or 10 crore or 20 crore or 100 crore, whatever it is. Today you decide. Whatever you decide, only it will happen. Whatever you believe, only it will happen, my dear friends. Whatever you believe, it will happen. Why I am saying it? I am going to give you an example. Today I am going to talk about Elon Musk. Do you know who is Elon Musk? Amazing guy, amazing guy. Very big problem in the childhood. Father, mother fighting, got divorced. It's all full of fighting. He went to school, but he's a very intelligent guy, always sitting in the game. And in the school itself, he created a computer game. He sold it for $500. Then he started his own company called Zip2. Fight between the partners. They sold the company. He had got few millions. And he got the share of PayPal. He became a CEO. He got married. After that, he went to the honeymoon. When he went to the honeymoon, all the board members, they threw him out. When he came from the honeymoon, no CEO. He was not CEO. What he did is, whatever he had, he purchased PayPal. Ultimately, the PayPal was purchased by eBay. So now, do you know how much money he has got? $180 million. In India, it is equal to, I think, around $180 million. Around 1,300 crore. So what you will do? You will be having a very big palatial house with a swimming pool, buy a lot of properties, have 20 cars, enjoy our life. But Elon Musk did not do that. Invested only in 3 ventures. He invested $100 million in SpaceX company. I will tell what is SpaceX. $70 million in Tesla. $10 million in Solar City. The Solar City is to give the solar power at a cheaper cost to the people. Everybody laughed at him. This fellow is a mad fellow. He has got so much money, but he is not saving for the company. He is not buying his own house also. He is investing. And he believed in Tesla. Tesla, he wanted to make the best electric vehicle in the world. Everybody was laughing because the price was more than 50 lakhs rupees. Who will buy Tesla? Who will buy Tesla? But he bought a major share. He started working on that, reduce the price on research. Today, Tesla is number 1 company in the world, already beaten Toyota. Now, let us talk about SpaceX. You see how he is a mad guy. The moment people tell you are a mad guy, you are bound to succeed. Maybe it will take some years, but believe in you, it will happen. People are saying you're a mad guy. What is a SpaceX? You know about NASA? You know about, just now I talked about the KRA, Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute. I talk about ISRO. ISRO is the one we are doing the, all the rocket we are going to the moon, and we are going sending to the Mars. Everything we are doing that to the ISRO. But he wanted to start a private rocket company. So he went to Russia. He talked to all the scientists. I want an old rocket. How much? They told a lot of money. They told that I don't have money like that. He came back. What he did? He started reading the books. And he thought, why not I manufacture rocket components? He started manufacturing rocket components. And he built a rocket. He built the rocket. His idea was very, very simple. Once the rocket goes Earth orbit, the booster will come and it will fall in the sea. So we cannot use the booster again. But he want to find a reusable booster. Again and again you want to use the rocket. So crazy idea. How it is possible? So this fellow, our Elon Musk, I like him, I respect him, I love him, my dear friends. He decided to make it. He made the component. First rocket was ready, and the rocket countdown, 10, 9, 3, 2, 1, rocket started. Within 30 seconds, rocket blast, gone. The entire world was laughing because somebody is losing money, neighbors are happy, and your relatives are happy, people known to you are happy. I know this fellow will fall. I know he is only failure. People laugh. Now, second time he built the rocket. Spent a lot of money on that. And brought a lot of scientists who. Second time rocket started. Countdown started. 10, 9, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. Rocket started. It went and went. It crossed the earth. Again it blasted. Again back to 0. He started. Third time. Again it went. Again it blasted, my dear friends. But he never gave up. The fourth time, he was building the rocket. My dear friends, the rocket was ready. But Elon Musk put all the money. He borrowed money. He put everything. He put his life in the rocket. It's a do or die situation. Either I should do. But he is a doer. He believed. The fourth time the rocket started. It went as scheduled. It came back. It landed. How it landed? I like the idea. Beautifully, I saw one video yesterday. Managing one pencil to manage. If you are able to be very straight, it will be there in your finger for some time. So you need to balance. So that idea, he used it in the rocket, balancing the earth and the rocket middle where the weight is there, and ultimately the rocket landed. Very simple idea. See the simple explanation. Yesterday night I saw, at 3 o'clock I saw the video. I got surprised how he was able to do that. With a simple technique, he found the idea and he converted the idea, he fulfilled his dream. Now, 70% of the cost is saved. Do you know what is happening now? He became a billionaire. NASA is sending scientists through Elon Musk. SpaceX has signed an agreement with NASA. Whatever their requirement, NASA has signed. Now, Tesla is also growing. Tesla is growing. Research. The company has launched 20 lakhs worth of car also. People have started buying it. Everything is computerized. You just sit it. Any repair in the car, the company will do it. You sit in your car, the cars will get repaired at that place. From the company, no mechanic. Beautiful car he has made. It has become number 1 in the world, Tesla. The same with Solar City. Another project called the Boring Company. Do you know about Hyperloop? Now they are building in Mumbai to Pune, under the ground. The vacuum will be created, it will suck the train from Mumbai to Pune. From Mumbai to Pune, it will be only 40 minutes. So like that, he is building tunnels across the USA. Cargo, he is taking passenger. He is going to take passenger to Mars also. Crazy guy, is it not? Do you know one thing? Today he is in the top 10 billionaires in the world. And he is going to be the first trillionaire in the world. Why? He is a crazy guy, my dear friends. What the world thought it is not possible. There are only 3 types of people are there in the world. Some people make things happen. Some people will watch things happening. Some people, they don't know what has happened. Today in Atomy, my dear friends, already people have become imperial masters. This year we are going to see more imperial masters. It is going to multiply the right time, the momentum has come. You are in the right time because in the pre-launch, the company is going to launch in November. Next 40 days, you work morning to night, create your network. Share the opportunity to everybody. If they believe, how many partners you require? Just 2. 2 people, they decided to become an imperial master in the left and one in the right. Work with them. What they need? 4 crown masters, 1 imperial master, another imperial master, 4 crown masters. So, before they create 8 crown masters, you will be having your 2 and 2, you will become an imperial master. The company plan says you need 2 people to identify. I am telling you, even 1 person is there in the left, 1 person is the right. They decided to become an imperial master. You are bound to become an imperial master before they become imperial master, my dear friends. Is it a greater opportunity than this Atomy? Especially this COVID-19. Today we salute our army people. Why? They are fighting for us in the border. Today the time has come. You and me, we are Jawan. We are soldiers. We have to fight inside the land. We have to fight for the life, not only for us, for the country, for the people, to build the nation again from zero. You know the GDP is minus 23.9%. We are the people, we have to bring the negative to positive GDP. It is there in our hand. The country we are going to build brick by brick, we are going to build. The nation, it is our nation. It is our mother country. The soldiers are fighting outside the country in the border. We are going to fight inside the country. Through the Atomy, we will fight. We will create imperial masters. We will create sales master. Family in the country should get 2 lakhs rupees. If the people believe in themselves, we are committed. Leaders are committed to make you sales master, diamond master, Sharon Rose master, star master, royal master, crown master, ultimately imperial master. We will continue the system. We will conduct regular meeting, training, seminar, everything for you. In all languages we will do. Across we will do. Indians will be leading the India. Today you take in IBM. Indian is the CEO. Today you take in Microsoft. Nadella is the CEO. Today you take in Google. Our Sundar Pichai is the CEO. Today you take in even this one, Pepsi. Indira Niyogi was the CEO. Today she is the chairman of the company. The world is ruled by Indians. In Atomy, we will be ruling the Atomy world. It is possible. Just believe like Elon Musk. If people can do it, when they can do it, we can do it and we will do it. See you all at the top. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for my friends, Mr. Ravi, Mr. Sandeep, Mr. Amit, and all other leaders, Sanjay Meshamji, all leaders. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Good night, my dear friends. Thank you.